What's up, guys? This is Chandler with Backwoods Grill, and today we're going to be cooking up some fried pickles for you. So stick with me, grab a beer, fire up your grill. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is dry off all of our pickles. So lay them out on a napkin or a towel of some sort, and get as much of the juice off as you can. That way the batter sticks to them. Once we get all that juice off, now it's time to make our batter. So you can start with your flour, some salt, some paprika, some onion powder, and some pepper. Mix those in, then it's time to add the beer to it. We used an IPA for this recipe, but you can use any beer you want, or you can use some kind of a carbonated soda. And the exact ingredient list will be in the description of the video. Alright, once it's nice and smooth, now it's time to add the pickles to it. Go ahead and toss all your pickles in there. Alright, and then you want to dip them in and cover them on both sides with all your batter. And while you're doing all this, get your oil heating up to about 375, that way it gives it a nice fry. Alright, add it to your oil. These don't take too long. You only need probably a couple minutes and they'll be all done. Once they're done here, you take them out and put them on a cooling rack, or you can throw them on some paper towels to dry off and cool down. Then it's time to eat. Alright guys, so there it is, the fried pickles for you. These things look like the best thing you get at a fair. So let's dig in. Holy shit, so good. Remember, smash that like and subscribe button. I'm going to drink this one with a nice IPA. I use it to make the beer batter out of. It goes really well with it.